So we're at Long Lake Drive. This is new construction. He's going to put a bunch of gravel in here. Everything's just melting and kind of a mess, but spring. Some nice gradual steps are going to go down over here. A nice flat spot there for a dock. And you come in the garage door here. He's got a 2-car attached garage. Lots of windows. Got a floor drain. This is a solid wood door, so it is a fireproof, but it's solid wood, so really nice door coming in. Got a mudroom, slop sink, laundry hookups here. He's got some nice shelving going on. He's got the butcher block for a folding table. Does have some nice cabinets. There is tile floor in there, hardwood throughout the rest of this main level areas, except for the bathrooms are both tile. So there is a full bath here, all tile shower and nice deep tub, little linen closet. It's got all the pine doors. All the closets have shelving in them, all installed already. He caulks everything, so all the corners are nice and caulked. His windows have the extra jambs on them, the live edge shelf on all of the windows. He's got the blocks, for all of the outlets and the light switches, and those are all caulked all the way along all of the trim. He just really does a good job with, all of that detail. It just makes it look so much more finished, and a lot of people just don't do that. Stairs go down into the basement, and the basement is, he's a work in progress, but there's 2 more bedrooms, a full bath, and an office. Here's a photo of another home that he did. He's got the real stone fireplace. This was all professionally done, and gas fireplace. It does have a really cool remote. You can adjust the flame. It really gives out a ton of heat, and he's got that really cool mantle. And he has the carving there and the live, just all of the posts are, even the ones on the basement, have all that is, custom fit. So there is a path, that you can put down right here. It actually makes a pretty gradual path to go down to the water and put a dock out. And there's a little level spot down there, so you can, have a place to swim. It's very nice swimming frontage out here. This is 35 feet deep out here, so it's a very deep, clear lake. Bass Lake connects to Long Lake for a total of 230 acres. This overlooks an island with a small cabin on it, definitely seasonal. And there's an undeveloped area across here with an eagle's nest. So your view is amazing. This is just part of the lake that you're seeing. You're in a bay. This faces north. So west, you see some of the sunset here. This is a nice big deck. It's going to have the log railing. I do have pictures online. This is a photo of it finished. What it would look like finished, because he has built a home very similar to this. And same thing here. This is going to be a screen porch. It does have some railing. So you don't fall through the screens, but the screens go all the way up. And then there is a door that goes here out to the deck, and then the steps are going to go down to get to the lower level on the ground level. This is a photo of another finished home that he did that is exactly the same layout. So granite countertops. All the cabinets here have the nice pullouts and the soft close on the drawers and doors. Dishwasher, really nice gas stove, all LG appliances. And there is a nice live edge shelf up there. That'd be an awesome spot for a big elk or deer mount. Front door is really cool. This has a little door, that opens up. Kind of see who's here. So it's a knotty alder door. This goes out to a front entranceway. You can kind of see what the siding looks like. And then he's got, you know, the really nice, cool log with the bases still on them. And it is a circle U-shaped drive. So you can come in here and go all the way through. Drilled well, really nice water quality here. It's a 3-bedroom septic. There's 2 bedrooms on the main level, and then the 2 bedrooms in the lower level, and then there is an office. So this is the master bedroom. You got a nice view here from the master bedroom. Nice tall ceilings in here. Walk-in closet. All the shelvings are already installed. You could actually add some more in here if you wanted to. He just didn't want to clutter it too much. And then tile floor. He's got the wall of stacked stone. He custom makes these mirrors. They're very cool. It's nice to have the mirrors already in, and they definitely fit the theme here. Double sinks. There's a nice, good-sized linen closet here, and the nice big shower. I just love these type of floors in the shower. I love the kind of stone look. He will give a credit for the doors, depending on what somebody wants as far as the doors go on the showers, because some people want glass now, some people don't want glass. I'm just gonna head down here, even though it's not finished. All of the windows are going to have this live edge on them. So the steps come down. These are the half lug step. He just has a piece of plywood covering up so they don't get wrecked. But I just wanted to show these, you know, these cedar posts are cool, and the big log, you know, supports. That is all very similar to the other one. I have pictures that I have online. And the other one, this window is not here. So this is new, and this office is new. So there is a office here, you know, with a window, so you have daylight. And then this is going to be the bedroom, you know. These have the egress windows and full closets, good size. And then this is going to be the flooring, and there is carpet in the 2 bedrooms. I have pictures online of this all done. It's going to be exactly the same as the other one, except for on the other one, just because of the slope, the windows are in a different spot. The windows are over here versus, and the other one I have online, the pictures, the windows were just on this opposite side. You have a really nice level spot going out the front, you know, to put fire pit, you know, pavers. If you want to do lakeside hangout area. This is the other bedroom. And the bathroom is finished. Love this big tile. And again, the custom mirror, and the shower is just, you know, because of the tall ceilings down here, he did all the way to the top there, and it's just a beautiful shower. Very tall people would be happy in this one. You don't have any problem fitting there, and it does have the linen. So this is the outside. He's got sickens, half log, and he's got the really nice Northwoodsy, kind of cool lighting, nice garage door. Everything matches really well. The siding just has a lot of character, and the path would just go down here. There's that 3-bedroom septic, and everything is just quiet. One thing I love about this area, it's just quiet. You hear nothing but birds, and I hear a dove, and you just don't hear any traffic. I mean, obviously if there's a car going by or, you know, on a nearby road, but the majority of the time it's just quiet. You are so far from any major highway. You're really only 3 miles off of Highway 17, but the hills and this area is all surrounded by county land, and it just makes for a buffer, and it just really makes you feel like you are in the middle of nowhere. You're still only 20 minutes from Highway 51 if you go up by Tomahawk, 45 minutes from Wausau. He is finishing the outside, and like I said, it'd probably be about a month and a half, and he will have all of this wrapped up. Inside for sure in about 4 weeks. He's just got the silt fence here. He has to have that as a requirement. But I just want to show kind of how this walks down at an angle. So this is the path. You know, you can walk down at an angle to about that point and then go down. I'm going to walk down there. This is kind of looking back. So, you know, if you put a nice gradual path here, out front is kind of banky. So to put stairs there, to me, you know, it'd be a quicker route. But this is just, you know, kind of nice to put a nice gradual side path, you know, going down the side of the hill. And then there is a nice little level area down there, you know, that you could sit. And just the slope of the lakefront is more of a gradual, so it's just going to be a better place for a dock. And this is actually a deer path here. I'm kind of going around the lake. So again, there's your path coming down to this point, your steps, and then the little landing there. So down by the water, just want to show, this has not been a developed lot, and this is all hard sand bottom here. This gets washed because of the waves and stuff, and the ice is just going out, so it's really kind of hard to see the whole thing. But he was going to put a dock in this area. You know, depending on what you want to do with that tree, it'd make great for fishing out here. Yeah, so there is the frontage on in front of the house. Just looking back. I'm gonna zoom out. So this is where you walk out to the deck, and the steps come down here. So only a couple steps down to what would probably be your patio area, and just an amazing view. Front of the house on this side. So that's the house, and this is Long Lake Drive. And this goes out through a bunch of undeveloped area. There's nobody across. Most of this is just in a big tract of land, and no plans to have this developed for the near future here anyways. You know, never say never. But the drive in here is very Northwoodsy and serene. So the drive in here is this. Just, you don't see any houses, and I love this path for taking a walk. This is a couple miles in, and it makes a loop. So a great place to walk and bike with kids.